Hello and welcome back to another video. I just came back from my Skardu trip. We visited various spots in Skardu and Shigar and other districts that are like close by. I wanted to make this video because I wanted to document my Skardu trip. Located in Pakistan's Gilgit-Baltistan region is a stunning high altitude city nestled in the Karakoram range, situated at the confluence of the Indus and Shigar rivers. It serves as the primary gateway for expeditions to K2, which is the second highest peak in the world, and other towering giants like the Gasherbrum. Surrounded by rugged mountains, glacial lakes, and arid valleys, Skardu offers spellbinding beauty year round. As you know, every time period, whenever you go to Skardu, there is a different scenery waiting for you. And it's gorgeous, beautiful. If you go in the summers, for example, June, July, September, then the scenery would be completely changed because the blossom season is going on in Skardu. But if you go in winters in for example, November and December, then the scenery would be completely something else. The trees would be shedding their leaves, and although the mountains are covered with snow, but you won't get snow everywhere around you. But you will get snow in December and January. So all I want to say is that every time period has its own particular charm. You have to research more about Skardu to understand the charm. Whatever fits your needs, whatever view you want to view and document, you can go during that time. The popular attractions in Skardu are Satpara Lake, Shangri-La Resort. It's beautiful. Shangri-La Resort is beautiful. Even though we went in the winters, but the flowers were blossoming. The flowers were like beautiful, orange, yellow, multicolored flowers, and they were gorgeous. I'm talking about the Shangri-La Resort. It's in Lower Kachura, I think. Historic Skardu Fort, Karpocho, which overlooks the city and echoes its ancient past. The region's unique Balti culture, hospitality, and traditional cuisines add to its charm. Skardu is also a hub for adventure tourism. Mountain climbers, we witness many mountain climbers as well, and it also draws trekkers or people who climb mountains and nature lovers from around the globe. With limited infrastructure but unmatched scenery, it remains Pakistan's most awe-inspiring destination. Ideal. Ideal for those seeking both serenity and adrenaline amidst some of Earth's most majestic landscapes. So if you're planning to visit Skardu, then you can go and watch some of my videos. I've reviewed some resorts as well, like the Khoj Resort, Green Park Resort, and Cascade. The Khoj Resort video is out. The Green Park video will be out soon, inshallah. And the Cascade Resort videos will also be out soon. So thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.